Can't even get them in there.
Hands are flying too fast.
That one's not fair. It rolls.
My finger caught in it.
That's a fun game. Hi, Allie. Hi, baby. There's a big old smile. Yeah. You want the camera, don't you? Come get it.
The little ham.
Come and get it. Come here. You gotta crawl. Never mind, I got my blocks.
Yeah. Well, she didn't lose interest too fast in that, did she?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
I don't know, looking at the carpet.
Oh. You want to clean it for me? Shannon needs to come down with her cleaner. She brings her carpet cleaner once in a while and cleans all the carpets in the house.
Oh, wow. There's your book again.
There's the Teddy.
There's your book. Yummy.
Sure is to say something here.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hi.
There's another remote.
It's leaning. There you go. I don't know, Dad. Woo! Crash! Dad's having fun with your blocks. He is. Crash! I'll take that.
Flashlight. Isn't that cute that Tim did? That's Hunter.
Aww, that is cute.
Took a lot of pictures of them. Now what do you have? Creak, creak.
Crash.
Didn't matter that I couldn't get to stand up. Huh?
Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah.
Playing baseball here or what? Yeah. Baseball?
one's on these. I wondered if there were any of yours, Kim. They're somewhere, but I don't know where.
Where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Whoa!
Yeah, that's not
Dad.
a good idea.
You're supposed to be watching her.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Allie. Allie. Allie.
Sid. Never mind you, Dad.
Hey, you.
Yeah, you almost did a magic trick, huh?
Ooh, I don't know how much magic that would have been. But it would have been fun.
Knock Dad's tower over. Crash!
That's not very nice.
Woo. I thought that's why you built it. For me to knock it down.
That's not very nice.
Whoop. Found the passy.